Two of my favorite tools in Photoshop are the dodge and burn tools. Whether you're zhuzhing a flat sketch, making it look a little more interesting, or adding some shading and depth to a fashion illustration, dodge and burn can do the trick. The problem I always had was that these two tools were some of the only tools in Photoshop that didn't allow you to work on a separate layer. And if you've been working in Photoshop for some time now, you know that layers are ideal so that you have the maximum amount of editability and you're working in a non-destructive way. So, how did I get around this issue? Take a look. Create a new layer and fill it with 50% gray. Make sure you use the 50% gray fill setting and not mix a gray color yourself. Also, if you plan to have a transparent background, I suggest you create a selection first and then fill the layer. In your new layer, change the blending mode to overlay. The overlay blending mode makes the gray appear transparent on all colors. Next, choose the brush tool and change your foreground color to either white or black. Painting with white will give the same effect as the dodge tool, brightening and adding highlights to your sketch, while painting with black produces the same effect as the burn tool, allowing you to add shadows. Continue painting on the gray layer until you achieve the desired effect. You may even want to create two separate layers so you have one layer for painting in white to brighten the sketch and one to paint in black for your shadows. Either way, it really gives you the same effect as the dodge and burn tools, but with the ability to keep the original layer untouched. So if you decide you no longer want those effects on your sketch, or you need to temporarily turn them off, you can easily do that because your effects are in a separate layer. So that's today's digital fashion quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to see more digital fashion tips with me, Mikkel, your digital fashion guru. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on 7th Avenue.